Hi there, in this video, I am going to show how to download and install the Mbox. In the previous video, I tell about Mbox format. And I want to show how to download and install it. And how to work it for downloaded email from Gmail. Okay. It is a downloaded file from Google TakeOut. I show the previous video on how to download it. Okay. First, you open a browser and go to Google. Search by these words Mbox Downloader, Mbox Viewer, Windows 10. Then go to this site by click here. And carefully check website that is trusted or spam. Otherwise, you may download the wrong file. And it affected to your computer. To show you I faced the same problem. Go to this site and notice it carefully. And click download. After download, I move it to desktop in a folder. And extract file. This the Mbox application software, double click to open it. OK. Close. OK. This file is in zip format. Before the show we need to extract it. OK. Now click on Browse File icon in the Mbox application. Find out the Google TakeOut file. Then Mail, select. Then OK. No. OK. All email is here, click 1. And mail content shows the below box. Alright. This is the tricks. Thanks for watching.